what? The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, north central Caldwell County, Bastrop County, Lee County, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Thorndale to near Cedar Creek, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lockhart, Elgin, Bastrop, Lexington, Fedor, Page, Tanglewood, Camp Swift, Circle D, Casey Estates, Cedar Creek, Wildwood, Upton, Weberville, Knob Springs, Felon, Bastrop State Park, Hills Prairie, Rockney, Watterson, and Cedar Hills. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.